Fire on the mountain, Nigerians. Senior advocate of Nigeria, Spitfire, says court cannot sabotage Tinubu's inauguration, gives shocking reasons. And these have got Nigerians talking. Do we have constitution in this country? Let's find out. Welcome back to Prospect Channel TV. Thank you for always coming out here. If you are just joining us, please kindly subscribe. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you. Wahaba Shaitu, a distinguished senior advocate of Nigeria, SAN, firmly ascertained that the inauguration of Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu as the president of Nigeria on May 29 cannot be impeded by any court. Shaitu, in a statement released on Saturday in Lagos, addressed the ongoing lawsuits and speculations surrounding the president-elect swearing-in ceremony. According to an article in The Nation, Shaitu emphasized that the event would undoubtedly proceed as scheduled. It will stand because it is a legal rule derived from the harmonious interpretation of the Constitution and the Electoral Act. Inaugurating the president-elect is a legal requirement, and no court will rule contrary to it, he stated. The erudite lawyer presented 5 compelling reasons supporting the inevitable of the event. I beg your pardon. He emphasized there is no precedent for such an occurrence in either the Constitution or the laws. Constitutionally and legally, the president-elect must be sworn in and inaugurated as president on May 29. This process is subsequent to the electoral outcome. Shaitu continued, highlighting the illegal obligation of the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) to conduct and oversee all authorized elections, including the presidential election, and subsequently announce the results and the victor. In accordance with these requirements, INEC has declared Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu as the winner of the election and presented him with a certificate of return as mandated by law. Those satisfied with the declaration have challenged it. Those dissatisfied with the declaration have challenged it before the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal, but the legal process of transitioning the president-elect into office cannot be lawfully stopped or delayed until a verdict is reached, he explained. Importantly, Shaitu emphasized that no court of law would interfere with the proceedings of the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal, which is currently deliberating on the election petitions. It is an accomplished fact that the president-elect will be inaugurated on time, he confidently stated. Meanwhile, Atiku Abubakar of the People's Democratic Party and Peter Obi of the Labour Party are preparing to present their cases against the conduct and results of the election. Atiku tends to summon 10 witnesses, while Peter Obi is, 100 witnesses, while Peter Obi is prepared to present 50 witnesses to support their respective claims. Nigerians, you can now understand what is going on. He said this is the Constitution, that whether the case is in the court or not, nothing will stop Bola Ahmed Tinubu, from being inaugurated as a Nigerian president. Now the question is, after the inauguration, what is going to happen with the court case? Because this is what Nigerians are really talking about. Majority of Nigerians believe that once Bola Ahmed Tinubu is being sworn in as the Nigerian president, forget about the rest. Nobody will get just a verdict in this case. But as you can see, you can now see the signs. So anybody who is wishing the judiciary to do miracle, una dey see and so, una dey see the matter so, that they don't do and say nothing go fit stop Bola Ahmed Tinubu, of being inaugurated as a Nigerian president. That is the reason why you see the DSS warning the judiciary. Of course, they are the one they are giving that warning to. The Nigerian police, the Nigerian army. So, who remain again? Even the federal government don't talk. So, for you to understand that this is an arranged work, the people who are contesting against Bola Ahmed Tinubu's victory, they are saying the process that brought Bola Ahmed Tinubu is far from perfect, that the election was rigged in his favor, and that is the reason why they are, asking the court to nullify Bola Ahmed Tinubu's inauguration and all that. So with what this man have said now, okay, Nigerians will now start making up their mind that there is no court in Nigeria, according to him, that will stop Bola Ahmed Tinubu's inauguration. He said Tinubu is going to be inaugurated on May 29th. No evil spirit self go fit stop him. Now, so he talk. Don't forget that Nigerians are still protesting in the Presidential Election Petition Court, demanding for just verdict. They have told Nigerian judiciary, they say, see, Nigeria is in your hand now. You understand? If you make mistake, Nigeria is gone. But why can't you do the needful and rescue Nigeria for good? Even though we go suffer now, small we go suffer, but we move on. Okay, guys. When I don't hear the matter so. So that is how it is. He have said it. This son have said it. He say anybody who is hoping that Bola Ahmed Tinubu inauguration is going to be stopped by any court is just joking. They should just forget about it. Nigerians, we are in the hands of God. So guys, let's quickly hear from you. What's your take on this? Kindly share your thoughts below the comment section. Thank you for this coming out here. God bless you. Bye for now.